Welcome to another episode of Tech Talks, where we break down the fascinating world of technology, one project at a time. I'm your host, and today we're diving into an exciting project involving remote-controlled cars using the ESP32 platform. If you've ever dreamed of controlling a car while streaming live video from it, this episode is for you. So picture this. You're driving a little car around your neighborhood, controlling it from your phone, and you can see everything through its camera. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, it's not just a dream anymore. With the ESP32 and a few lines of code, this is entirely possible. Let's break down how this whole system works. The project primarily revolves around an ESP32-based remote-controlled camera system that enables live video streaming and control over motors and servos, all managed by a Python server application. What's amazing here is that it transmits video streams over WebSockets, a technology that allows for two-way communication between a client and a server. It's like sending messages back and forth in real time. Now let's talk hardware. To get started, you'll need an ESP32 cam, those adorable little modules that pack a powerful punch with capabilities for video streaming. You'll also require a motor and servo connected to the appropriate GPIO pins, a solid 5-volt power supply, and a Wi-Fi network to make it all fly. And if you're wondering about the software side, you'll need a mix of libraries to ensure everything runs smoothly. Essential libraries include Wi-Fi.h for connectivity and spcamera.h to control the camera. It's like assembling a team of specialists to get the job done. For coding enthusiasts, modifying the firmware is straightforward. You will just need to populate the secrets.h file with your Wi-Fi credentials. It sounds high-tech, right? But honestly, it's similar to filling out a form on your favorite online shopping site. Once your ESP32 connects successfully, it can start streaming video to a web interface. Yep, you heard that right. You'll be able to watch the live feed right on your web browser. It's incredible how far technology has come. There's literally a screen in your hands showing what your little car sees. Now, I can almost hear the gears turning in your head. You might be wondering, what if something goes wrong? Well, the project thoughtfully includes automatic timeout features. If there's no control input for a while, the motor will reset, preventing any mishaps. It's like your little car knows how to take a break. If you're ready to try it out, running the Python server script and accessing the web interface feels like driving a high-tech spaceship. You can set the motor speed and servo angles with simple commands, adding to the fun of controlling the car precisely how you want. But here's a question for you, our listeners. What would you do if you had this technology at your fingertips? Racing with friends? Surveillance around the house? The possibilities are endless. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap. This ESP32 RC car project isn't just about driving around. It combines software programming, hardware tinkering, and live video streaming into one cohesive experience. Plus, it's open source. So if you're inspired, jump in and contribute to the project, fix bugs, or even implement your features. Thank you for tuning in to Tech Talks. We hope you enjoyed this episode and feel inspired to explore the world of tech innovation. Don't forget to hit subscribe and let us know what you think. Until next time, keep tinkering and pushing the boundaries of what's possible.